Hi there, my name's Ben Patton. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Good Club. Our mission is to help everyone live more sustainably. The world produces over 350 million tonnes of plastic waste a year. In the UK, half is from product packaging. Ultimately, the environment can't cope. And it's hard to reduce waste. Recycling is confusing and unreliable. Biopackaging pollutes, and zero waste stores are impractical for doing the family stock-up shop. The good news is that more of us than ever want to buy our products in reusable packaging, and with a raft of new legislation set to arrive, there's never been a better opportunity to start changing things. So, how is Good Club going to make a difference? It needs to be easy to shop more sustainably. Good Club makes it convenient and affordable, and we help customers understand the impact they're having.
Our proprietary zero waste service uses returnable pots instead of single-use plastic. Deliveries are sent in returnable boxes, which are collected from customers' doorsteps. Pots are then washed and refilled, and the process starts again, saving plastic and CO2.
Say goodbye to full recycling bins and get the products you love without the packaging you don't.
The UK's grocery market is now worth over £200 billion. The 6-month pilot of Good Club's zero waste service totally exceeded expectations. In less than 2 years, we've grown 20 times to an annual GMV rate of £5 million, with over 7,000 members constantly coming back for more.
The reusable range has grown to 25% of sales, and as a direct result, we've saved more than 125,000 pieces of single-use plastic. Also, with the return rate of the reusable boxes at an amazing 97%, this shows that our system makes it easy for our customers to shop reusables. Now, could you imagine the impact we could all have if everybody started shopping with reusable product packaging and reusable delivery boxes for online shopping? This is just the beginning of our roadmap to bring Good Club to a whole new audience. With your help and investment, we will move 100% of the range into zero waste or easily recyclable packaging in 2022.
As Good Club's customer base continues to grow, we will need to meet demand. In order to do this and to improve margins, we will be moving our returns, cleaning and filling processes to a fully automated and scalable solution with new and improved technologies.
This move allows us to further improve the customer experience with next day deliveries, higher stock availability and greater customer control. And that's not all. We're also developing new packaging formats and cleaning processes for new product categories, such as nut butters, oils, and alternative milks. Through customer feedback, the experience of selling and processing large volumes, and a culture of constant improvement, we're defining new standards of reusable packaging.
We've been Good Club customers for over a year now. We've always wanted to shop sustainably and zero waste, but we haven't been able to find a practical way to do it. The fact that Good Club delivers and collects from our doorstep makes it so easy.
We've been looking for a long time for a way to do zero waste, but we couldn't find a practical solution for it. Good Club has just made everything so easy, and we rely on it so much that it's almost become like one of our utilities.
One of the things that really appeals to me about Good Club as an impact investor is that Good Club are targeting one of the most foundational practices and activities that we undertake, which is feeding ourselves and our families. And so if we can make an impact on that practice, then we can make a huge impact as an investor.
The market is just beginning to see the opportunity in digital grocers. The €2 billion invested in the first half of 2021 in Europe, with 4 new unicorns, illustrates the size of the opportunity investors see in the sector. Crowdfunding is central to the Good Club brand. Your investment in Good Club is an opportunity to have a stake in an inevitable future and a chance to accelerate positive change.